Hey Cocoa Queens, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make onion juice. So what we'll need for this recipe is your funnel, your onion and garlic of course, an essential oil, a water and container, and a pot and knife to chop it up, chopping boards, and your strainer. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna chop up this onion and garlic. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit before we actually go and put it in our pot with our water. Another great thing about onion juice is that it has sulfur bonds. And this is important because sulfur bonds, they attach to other sulfur bonds which form disulfide bonds, which are found in keratin. And as you know, keratin is what our hair is made of. So it literally puts your own follicles of your hair back together. Now, this is also antimicrobial, and fun fact, onions were placed in the tombs of pharaohs because of their special spiritual significance. So it really does stand the test of time. Now that we have our water and our onions and our garlic together in the pot, we're gonna switch that over and take it to the stove. Now, as you can see, I put the water in the container for a very special reason. You'll see why later. But right now, we're gonna turn on the stove. Now, I don't want my mixture to boil over, so I'm gonna set it on a low heat. Now, you don't want it to boil, you want it to simmer. So it's gonna be real quick. You take it off the stove, and now we have our cup and our strainer, which is my knee-high. Not used, by the way, that's gross. So we're gonna separate the juice from the chunks, and now that we've done that, it's cooled off a little bit. We're gonna insert our, you got it, essential oil. Now, this mixture does stink. It smells like onion and garlic, so we need our essential oils. Excuse my camera guys because I'm still trying to work on the focus, so bear with me. But I use peppermint oil because I really like and it has a tingle. And I'm gonna add a few drops of it into my mixture so it can smell pretty decent. Now, you don't have to worry about it actually stinking up your hair because it only needs to sit for about 30 to 60 minutes. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take my container, which I got from a local beauty supply store, and I'm going to put my funnel on top, and I'm just going to pour the mixture right on in the bottle. Now, this is the part where you understand why I put the water in my container. There, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I know exactly how much I'm going to make, and I know it's going to fit. So we're going to close this up right here, and you can either put it in the fridge for up to 5 days because yes, it does spoil, or you can just use it right away. And this is to be incorporated into your hair regimen. It's not a 5 times a week type of thing. I would do it once or twice a month, and it really works. It really helps for long-term use. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about this recipe, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.